trying to.
Oh, yeah?
That's a fighter. That's a fighter. They don't know what's going on up there. They're all over. We saw them the other night, a bunch of them. I can't even get that close with my camera. I've never seen planes fly like that. Where'd the other one go? There it is, right there. Okay, I see it. It's hard to see because of the glare on the sun. Yeah. And I'm trying to get a close-up shot, but it's hard for me to get it close in to really see it. Unless I look through the camera. Well, if I look, oh wait, there's nowhere to look. Duh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is, right there. No, yeah, that's the second one. They're out here. Remember the other night we were out here and we seen a bunch of them flying around. I just can't get.
How do you zoom on your camera?
I can't see. You know what it is? I'm in the sun. Let me go over in the shade and look.
Over here. Hey, how do you zoom on?
Look over here. Let me look up right here. I'll be able to see over here. Where'd it go?
It's right over,
Where? Where is it? There it is, right there. It's right there. Well, oh, he changed my zoom. God damn him.